Hey, Jonathan Rowland here. I'm the CEO of MyChurch.Events, bringing you the latest on things you can see and do with our frequently updated events guide. Let's go.
Get ready.
This Saturday, from songwriting to music release, begin to make steps to making your single or album. This event is an informative workshop presented by producer and international musician Noval Smith and Silver Gliss music founder Millicent Stephenson. Find out the 7 main stages of making a recording, 5 studio survival tips, 5 tips to selling your music, 3 ways to fund your project, 3 ways to copyright your music. It all takes place at the New Life Centre, New Testament Church of God in Birmingham. This Saturday there is an audition for a big new gospel show put on by Expressions Gospel TV and Media. So if you're a singer, dancer or spoken word artist and you think you've got what it takes, then we implore you to get involved and register to take part in this event. Registration open to ages 16 to 25. Registration fee is £10 for singles and £15 for groups, and auditions will be taking place at the Salvation Army Booth Road in Croydon. 70x7 Live is a showcase night featuring the best of UK gospel, and it takes place this Saturday at the Holy Trinity Church in Hounslow. Organised by 70x7 Live Clothing and Music, they invite you to bring all your friends and family to this evening of free music and ministry by James Adu. Live DJ sets by DJ Krista Mix, and 15 plus other artists will be showcasing their music on the night, covering different genres of music. Grand Cafe Concerto in Westfields, London warmly welcome you this Saturday for an evening of fine food and beautiful live music featuring DePaul behind the grand piano. Now, DePaul is a singer, songwriter and musician with a passion for performing. He writes contemporary lyrical content that reaches all listeners and connects with the world around him. His roots held back to a Caribbean church in London, where he found and nurtured his love for the piano and singing as a pianist, playing choral hymns and Caribbean folk music. MyChurch.Events for full details. Oh man, I just can't fit any more in. So check out MyChurch.Events for a full listing. From coffee mornings, concerts, seminars to theatre shows, hashtag MyChurchEvents to be in a know. Jonathan Rowland, MyChurch.Events, signing out.